me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat.
Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. I want to show you all what I won when I attended the launch of the 31 Le Rouge at the Chanel Boutique. I was so excited when the manager called me the next day and told me that I had won. And I can't wait to show you all what I won. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love.
In my 31 Le Rouge video, I promised you all that I was going to show you what's in this box. This is a free gift that I received from Chanel. I've received lots of free gifts from Chanel and I shared them in that 31 Le Rouge unboxing. So if you love all things Chanel and you love little free gifts and all little knickknacks, please go and watch that video because I shared a lot of my free gifts in that video. Probably not all of them. And this gift was a gift that I promised to share in a story and I didn't do it. I'm sorry, but today you're going to see what's inside this box.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
And of course, I've got to share my outfit of the day. This is a linen dress and I'm wearing a size 6. I bought this dress from Dotti. I believe I bought this dress last year. I love that it's got pockets, but it's also see-through. So I've worn a slip underneath. And of course, we know that silver is trending. So I decided to pull out these sandals, these Birkenstocks. They're really comfortable, and I know a lot of women that follow elegance rules believe that Birkenstocks are not elegant, but you know what? Rules are meant to be broken, and I love breaking some rules, and you should as well. So these sandals are great for just running around, and it can elevate your outfit if you don't want to wear something a bit frumpy, because I know some flat shoes can be quite frumpy. So I've chosen these Birkenstocks in silver, and way before silver started trending. So if you want to maybe upgrade your shoes or try different styles, try a silver shoe. Before I leave, I'd like to say that I really love the gown. I was so surprised when I saw that there was a gown in there, and it's a Chanel gown. I would have never imagined that I would have worn a gown from Chanel. But because the gown is a little bit oversized, I'm not sure if I should keep the gown and give it away, do a giveaway when I have maybe X amount of subscribers. I'm not sure on the number, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to give this gown away. I am really uncertain, but I'll think about it because the gown is a bit oversized on me. So that's just my thoughts. Well, we've come to the end of another video. I really enjoyed recording this video for you all. But if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, because it helps me to understand what kind of content you enjoy watching, and I can think about recording those sorts of videos rather than creating content that you don't enjoy watching. But nevertheless, I believe that liking videos and subscribing to a channel helps me with the algorithm. That's what I've been told. It helps with the algorithm. So if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos, and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zala.